Establishing a smart home system that will monitor and control your devices, such as lighting, heating and air conditioning, and entertainment systems is always a great idea. Currently, there are a number of home automation and assistance devices that helps to regulate stuff in your home. But there is one secret device you can't do without: the ESP8266 Home Assistant. Let's get right into it. The ESP8266. The ESP8266 consists of three aspects: the boards, modules, and the microchip. The microchip is a low-cost microcontroller produced by the Chinese company Espressif and can be purchased for as low as $20. It is powered by an L106 32-bit RSIC microprocessor core, which achieves extra low power consumption and reaches a maximum clock speed of 160 MHz. The real-time operating system, RTOS, and Wi-Fi stack allow 80% of the processing power to be available for user application programming and development, as stated by the producing company Espressif. With software such as esphome, WLED, and Tasmota, you can gather a wide range of information and control your smart home products, such as electric gadgets, sound systems, air conditioners, etc. with the ESP8266 microcontroller. We will take an in-depth look at how ESP8266 and Home Assistant work to build a secret device your smart home can't live without. The ESP8266 models range from ESP01 to ESP14. Each module has an AT command set firmware that has been pre-programmed, so you must connect it to your Arduino device to get nearly the same amount of Wi-Fi functionality as a Wi-Fi shield. The last aspect of the ESP8266 components is the development boards. Examples of these boards are the Node MCU and Wemos D1 Mini. According to Mr. DIY, these boards have everything you need to build prototypes that can be used to build smart home devices.
An onboard USB to serial programmer, a 3.3 voltage regulator, LEDs, buttons, and a voltage divider for the ADC. They are also breadboard friendly. This makes them ready to program out of the box. You can use them to build custom smart home devices. For example, you can monitor the temperature in your house, check the battery level in your car, and play MP3 notifications.
Home Assistant. As you may have noticed from the introductory part of the video, the ESP8266 will be unable to function without the Home Assistant. Therefore, it is important to understand how the software works too. Home Assistant is an open source and cost-free program used for home automation is called. It offers a full local substitute for products like SmartThings and HomeBridge. The Home Assistant made it possible to handle smart home appliances locally, providing more security, dependability, and flexibility than many cloud-connected products. It gives you access to home automation functionality without requiring the cloud, so your home automation system is not reliant on distant servers or an internet connection. It is adaptable, works with the vast majority of smart devices, and is network-free. The Home Assistant enables you to program schedules, allowing various smart home gadgets to communicate and function as intelligently as possible. According to game and tech focus blog writer Mugen Musso, Home Assistant is considered one of the most popular local home automation platforms. If anyone is serious about home automation using local control, this is one platform you cannot ignore. You can allow Home Assistant to scan your Wi-Fi network for all connected smart devices, connect it with the one it can control, and presents a user-friendly interface to let them cooperate based on how and when you want the single instruction to be carried out. Finding more interesting tech content has been made easier. By subscribing to our channel, you get content like these and more just a click away. ESP8266 and Home Assistant. Without writing a single line of code, you can create full smart devices, catalog the linked sensors, and create automation with your ESP devices and Home Assistant. Instead of writing code, you can register sensors and devices with straightforward YAML configuration files. Giving your ESP8266 a task, you can attach a sensor such as a temperature and humidity sensor called a DHT sensor, as well as a relay that can be used to turn on bigger devices like lamps, so that Home Assistant can be expanded. You can go ahead and add the add-on to the sidebar after installing the ESP Home Dashboard and Home Assistant by navigating. You will see a straightforward page with a sizable green plus New Device button in the top right corner. If you click this button and Home Assistant is not operating over HTTPS, Home Assistant notifies you that you must connect the ESP8266 to the PC hosting the ESP Home Dashboard. The ESP8266 must be connected to your Raspberry Pi in your home, which is running Home Assistant. You may want to connect your new home automation device to your local Wi-Fi network when you first build it using ESP-Home. You'll need the Wi-Fi network name and password to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And just like that, you've configured and deployed your first home automation device with ESP-Home. So for you to utilize the appealing interface to communicate with your new home device, add it to Home Assistant. Your home automation device has now been integrated into Home Assistant, allowing you to build virtual switches in your Home Assistant dashboard when it has connected to your device and configured the sensors.
That should do it.
Change your device's configuration for the sensors that match the device you want to control. Use the configuration you have generated using the ESP-Home interface to flash the ESP device. Your Home Assistant dashboard should now include the ESP-Home device sensor. You would have now given Home Assistant a visual depiction of your new home automation system. The ESP8266 is undoubtedly an incredible device that achieves greater results when combined with the Home Assistant. Orating and having your home under control through a dashboard is certainly fun to do, and there are a variety of dashboard options you can choose from. If you are interested in that, then make sure to check out our video on top 5 incredible Home Assistant dashboards and control panels.